the personal trainer.
They leave outside noise outside. No. We don't have that.
Girl picture on Instagram. Are you?
We leave outside noise outside. No. We don't have that in the sanctuary. Tell me you'll call them back. What was all that negativity about?
This personal trainer knows your lady, your better half, better than you do, boys. Pay attention.
Still liking the same girl picture on Instagram.
That doesn't surprise me. I seen your boyfriend. He not disciplined. He not in the gym. Okay, come on now. You be for real. I'm gonna need you to poke that butt out a little bit more though. Yeah, there that arch go. Come on, open it wider.
I'm trying.
It's been smelling better since I told you to give up red meat, huh?
I changed my whole diet.
I know.
Yo, this trainer said, open it up wider. It's been smelling better since I told you to stop eating red meat, right? Listen to this.
Red meat, huh?
I changed my whole diet. I'm trying.
It's been smelling better since I told you to give up red meat, huh?
I changed my whole diet.
I know, I can smell it. Come on, two more. Other girls in his DMs right now. Other girls in his DMs right now. Other girls in his DMs right now. There you go. There you go. There you go. Say, I will not take him back.
I won't take him back.
I know you won't. Go get low type shit. There you go. All the way. Ooh, slow and steady. Slow and steady.
Uh-huh.
There we go. Ooh, hold it right there. Hold it right there.
True story, bro. True story. Okay, you guys go to the gym, right? You're encouraged to go to the gym. How many of you guys have seen personal trainers do this? I used to be a personal trainer. Okay? Shit is real. Okay? You get in, a personal trainer will know your lady better than you do. A personal trainer knows how much your lady weighs. You don't. Your personal trainer, your girl's personal trainer knows how much she weighs. You don't. When she loses a pound, who do you think she's texting? Who do you think she wants to tell first? The trainer. She doesn't care about you because you don't know this shit. You calling her fat, you've been stressing her out. You got to pay attention to that. Personal trainers, the people who really encourage women to do better, to make them feel better. That's like a therapy session for these bitches, bro.
Shit, just like that.
It's hurt.
I know it does. Pain is beautiful.
My man don't even do this for me.
Stop calling them that. Just make sure that bozo have your gym membership next week, okay?
About to meet up with my personal trainer.
Oh, up at Edge? Oh, they got some good personal trainers up
They
there.
really do.
What's her name?
Steve.
Steve. Steve ain't no hub.
And?
And you got to have a female personal trainer. You better have no male personal trainer.
What?
Call Steve and counsel. Call him up and counsel. No, call him and counsel.
He's the best.
But then I seen the way he been stretching. I seen the way he been stretching them girls up there. The only thing that's been stretching is his.
Stop. Don't be nasty.
I ain't getting Steve being nasty. That's Steve being nasty. You call.
Don't do dumb shit like this, bro. If you notice your lady starting to dress a little bit better, maybe she's feeling better about herself. How did you contribute to that? Now, there's a lot of shit that people say out there. It's unacceptable to be fat. You know, niggas will deprive bitches of dick and money and shit like that if they're overweight. That's cool. Run your program how you want to run it. But at the end of the day, if another man is making your lady feel good, she's going to open up to that man. If you keep putting pressure on this bitch, she's not going to want to trust you. She's going to want to close up, and she's going to give all of your goodies to the man that's training her. It's what they doing to your girl, bro. Do me a favor, guys. Make sure you guys like this video, share this video.
If there's some mothers in here, bro, please stop. Please let your child see their father, especially if they a good father. Let your child see their father. If y'all just don't know, that ruins us inside. Like, it ruins us bad. Like, our relationship, like, we have to grow up with this. And this will forever be a story of our lives growing up without our father. Like, if you listen, if you got a child right now and you're literally keeping them away from their father, you ruin the kid's life. It's not gonna come back good on you. They gonna always have this hatred towards you. You feel me? For you keeping them, but if you like keep them away from a father for a good reason, like he a drug addict or something like that, or he just can't get right, then yeah, I understand. But if he's a good father, let the man see his child for sure. Like for real, like let him see his child, cause I'm telling you, we need our father figures. You feel me? We need our father figures. We love our mom. We love y'all to death. We love our moms so much, but we need our father figures. We need that, you know, that manly in our life. You feel what I'm saying? So please let your child see their father, especially if they're a great father. And if you are anything like me, and you're grown now and you have the chance to go find your father, and he actually like a good person, I advise y'all to go find y'all father and go talk to your father and catch up on times. Cause look, this life is short, bro. I understand that this life is short and you only get one father. You feel me? So I feel like I gained enough confidence to go actually speak to my dad and have a conversation with him and see like what he's been going through all these years without seeing me.